How to create different AI business in a single day. What if I told you that in the next few minutes, you're about to embark on a journey that unveils not just one, but two distinct AI-driven side hustles? Whether you're a tech-savvy guru or just curious about the potential of AI, this video is your ticket to a new realm of income generation. Welcome to Profitability Plus, the channel that's all about unlocking the untapped potential of AI-driven ventures. Today, we're diving headfirst into a 24-hour challenge that could reshape your financial landscape. I'm here to guide you through two distinct AI side hustles that don't just require minimal skills but also promise significant earnings. Are you ready to level up your income game with AI? Let's roll up our sleeves and get ready. You might be wondering, why affiliate marketing? Well, it's a strategy that leverages partnerships, allowing you to promote products and earn a commission on each sale made through your referral link. The beauty of AI affiliate marketing lies in its accessibility. You don't need a marketing degree or a massive investment. It's the perfect side hustle for anyone looking to monetize their online presence. These products span various niches: health, wealth, relationships, and beyond. The key is to choose products that align with your interests and have a track record of converting well. Remember, the average conversion and gravity score give you insights into how well a product is performing. While high gravity indicates demand, it also implies competition. It's all about striking a balance between demand and competition to maximize your earnings. Now, let's talk about the power of landing pages. A well-crafted landing page can be the difference between a casual visitor and a paying customer. With Google Sites as your canvas, you can create landing pages that captivate your audience. Don't stress about design. Remember, simplicity often wins. Engaging headlines, compelling descriptions, and a clear call to action are your tools of persuasion. The goal is to guide visitors seamlessly from your landing page to the affiliate offer, increasing the likelihood of conversions. The magic of ChatGPT. This AI-powered assistant becomes your content generator. It's like having a marketing wizard at your fingertips, ready to craft engaging text tailored to your affiliate offer. You provide the prompts, and ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. Think of it as an endless well of creativity, churning out content ideas that resonate with your target audience. With the power of ChatGPT, you'll never run out of fresh content to share across platforms. Let's not forget about Canva, the design powerhouse that transforms ideas into visually appealing marketing materials. Whether it's eye-catching banners, social media posts, or even infographics, Canva equips you with the tools to make your promotion stand out. By integrating content from ChatGPT into Canvas templates, you create a harmonious synergy that not only informs, but also entices your audience to take action. Now, let's dive into the world of Pinterest, a visual haven where creativity thrives. Pinterest isn't just a place to pin your aspirations, it's a treasure trove of potential customers. Armed with captivating visuals and strategic pins, you have the opportunity to showcase your affiliate products to a massive audience. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly posting compelling pins that resonate with your target demographic can lead to increased visibility and ultimately higher conversions. Imagine an account in the health niche that garners over 300,000 monthly views. This isn't just a vanity metric, it's a testament to the earning potential of AI affiliate marketing. Through strategic promotion and engaging content, these accounts have turned a passion for health and wellness into a revenue-generating machine. But let's not stop there. There's another account that's hitting the 1 million monthly views mark. That's right, a staggering million. This isn't just a fluke, it's a calculated strategy backed by AI-driven insights. The key takeaway? AI affiliate marketing isn't a mere experiment. It's a proven methodology that can turn your interests into income streams. Transitioning to the world of AI stock image selling, let's explore how your creativity can lead to financial gain. Adobe Stock emerges as your canvas where you upload AI-generated images that resonate with a global audience. Each download translates into royalties, making it a passive income source that complements your active endeavors. As you navigate the Adobe Stock platform, the insights gained from top sellers become your guiding light. By analyzing what works in the market, you'll gain a competitive edge. What types of images evoke the most interest? Which keywords are driving searches? Armed with this knowledge, you're better equipped to create images that align with market trends. But here's where the magic truly happens. Midjourney. This AI tool isn't just about generating images. It's about creating assets that captivate viewers. From captivating landscapes to intricate patterns, Midjourney takes your creative vision to new heights. The process is simple. Input your prompt, specify the aspect ratio, and watch as AI brings your ideas to life. Yet, there's an additional layer of finesse you can add. AI image upscaling tools allow you to elevate the quality of your images, making them suitable for professional platforms like Adobe Stock. This step isn't just about size, it's about pixel-perfect precision that catches the eye. By enhancing your images, you're amplifying their appeal and increasing the likelihood of downloads. Publishing on Adobe Stock isn't just about uploading images, it's about strategic positioning. By selecting categories that align with your image's theme, you're increasing the chances of your images being discovered. Remember, the right keywords are your best allies. They're the bridge that connects your images with the audience searching for them. As you craft titles and descriptions, think like your potential customers. What terms will they use to find your images? Integrating relevant keywords boosts your visibility and drives downloads. With each image you upload, you're creating a digital asset that has the potential to generate income for years to come. The passive nature of this endeavor means you can simultaneously explore other opportunities while your images work their magic in the background. Both AI affiliate marketing and AI stock image selling are more than business models. They're gateways to financial independence. Here's the golden ticket, your opportunity to rewrite your financial story with AI as the catalyst. Both AI affiliate marketing and AI stock image selling are more than just ventures. They're gateways to financial freedom. By staying tuned, you're investing in your potential to earn, innovate, and secure a brighter financial future. As we wrap up this game-changing episode, I urge you to take action. Don't just be a spectator, be a participant in the AI revolution that's sweeping the digital landscape. I am thrilled to be your guide on this journey, and I can't wait to see you thrive in the world of AI-driven profitability.